Hello, it's Friday the 27th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So Andrew Bailey thinks inflation will start to fall faster from here. The market has started to speculate about how many more rate hikes we may have before the MPC pause to reflect. And Bailey's comments have certainly encouraged a cautious optimism that perhaps the downturn won't be as bad as previously feared. Of course, this could mean that the property market avoids the expected drop in prices. Yes, prices have begun to level off and many think there's further to go there, but will they actually fall? I'd welcome your thoughts on that one. Next week we have the MPC rates decision and their quarterly economic report, but we also have housing market data which will give us an update on the property sector as well. One to keep an eye on. US monetary policy is having the desired effect on the US economy. Q4 GDP data showed the economy grew by 2.9%, which was a little better than expected, but where interest rates are fast approaching 5%, this level of growth makes a soft landing look more likely. Opinions are still split on the Fed meeting next week and whether we'll have another 50 basis points or whether they'll taper policy further and deliver a 25 basis point rate hike. We also have non-farm payrolls next Friday. Be sure to put that one in your diary. We're having a sweepstake. Estimates there are forecasting a lower number of new jobs, but another strong reading here may influence the Fed rate decision. They will have access to the data ahead of time, so if they hike by 50 basis points, could be a nod for hashtag team over this month. Word to the wise. The dollar index topped out around 102.20 yesterday. That was helped higher by GDP data because that level of growth gives the Fed plenty of headroom if they want to continue with their rate hike policy. In parallel, sterling touched a high of 124.30, but any idea of touching the 125 level will probably need to wait for the central bank meetings next week. We opened this morning around 123.80 against the dollar. We're 113.80 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 108.75 on the open. Right, that's it from me, capping off another week. Thanks very much for tuning in. I'll be back on Monday. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.